Hi there, this is Penelope. This is another in the series of the DE4102 Trimester 2 2018 exam questions. This is question 5. Still worth 10 marks, so keep an eye on your time. Okay, change the subject of that equation and then find K to 3 significant figures. And note the next one, 3 significant figures. Okay, so we've got that P equals 1 over 4 times 3 mu over Q minus 1 over K. K is what we need to find. And minus 3 P0. Okay, let's multiply everything by 4. And oops, that's 1 over K. And then I'm going to put things on different sides. I'm going to say 1 over K equals 3 mu over Q minus 4P minus 3PO. Now, in order to flip the left-hand side, I need to collect them all over Q. So I'll just leave it for the moment. Put them all over Q. So it's 3 mu minus 4P times Q minus 3PO times Q. Now I can flip it that K is equal to Q over 3 mu minus 4PQ minus 3P0 Q. Okay, we've got those values, we can put them in, and then we get it that K is approximately equal to negative 555 negative 0.0538 to 3 significant figures. Bacteria given a formula y equals a e to the kt. Okay, when t is 0, we're told that y is 100, so a must also equal 100. Now to find k, we need to use another little bit of information. We're told that at 10 minutes, we've got 500 equals, now we know what a is, 100 e to the k times 10. Okay, rearranging that. Oops, lost my 1. Okay, so 500 divided by 100, that gives us that 5 equals e to the 10k. So natural log of 5 equals 10k. So k equals natural log 5 over 10, which is, now check, how many significant figures? 3. So we need to approximate that using our calculators like that. Okay, second part, or the third part, says assuming this growth can be sustained, how long will it take any similar sample to become or to increase tenfold? Increasing tenfold means it's 10 times what we started with. So 10 times, it was 100 initially, now it's going to be 10 times that, which is 1,000, is going to be equal to 100 e. Now we know what k is. Now it's just a matter of solving that for t. 1,000 divided by 100 is 10. That just was interrupted. Okay, take the natural log of each side. So natural log of 10 equals 0.161 t. So t equals natural log of 10 over 0.161. And that's approximately 14.3 minutes. Again, 3 significant figures because that's what it's asked for. The last question in this question 5 is solve for x for some log statement. Okay, it says log to the base e, so I'm going to write that as natural log. Natural log 2x minus natural log x minus 3 equals 0. If I've got a minus, it means I'm dividing. And if I'm going to do this, then it would be 2x over x minus 3 is going to be equal to e to the power of 0, which is 1. Now I'm going to cross multiply. X minus 3 times 1 equals 2x. Negative 3 equals x, or x equals negative 3. Now check your answer. Because we have a problem. This isn't possible because you're trying to find, for example, log of 2 times negative 3 minus log of negative, natural log space e, negative 3 minus 3. We can't find the log of a negative number, so there is no solution, and that's fine. Sometimes there just isn't.